Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent a calendar application to display notifications on the lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. First, we need to go to Settings. Then in Settings, we need to scroll down a bit to Notifications and Quick Settings menu. Then scroll down again, and here we have the lock screen menu, which we need to tap. And here we have our lock screen notifications. First of all, we can disable them all, or we can pick and choose whatever we want. So we want the calendar option to be, for example, off. Now, calendar application won't be able to display any notifications on the lock screen. And now it can again. It's a pretty much on or off switch. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.